What is in this box, I believe, is the second most expensive thing to ever be seen on our channel. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Popeye, you just saw him. Here he is. Oh, there's Popeye. You guys just don't get enough of Popeye, do you? Amelia is down for the night with the RC-Saylors. Welcome to our RC family. There he goes. He's playing with his toys. Well, in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing. We don't do a lot of unboxings, but as we said at the beginning of this year, if they're worthy of an unboxing, we'll do it. And this absolutely is. Based on the title, you don't know what's in here. And as a matter of fact, I only know part of what is supposed to be in here, which is why I thought this would be a really fun unboxing, because I have been gifted an amazing gift. We have been.
We are so lucky to have such an amazing support system over on our Patreon page. And one of our patrons decided that he no longer had a use for this and wanted to see it on our channels.
Yes.
So here it is. He said he didn't want any shout outs or anything
Actually,
like that.
he did say Santa theme. So
Oh yeah, okay, Santa.
From Santa. And
Santa
it'll
in September.
probably blow your mind. It kind of blew my mind.
When he said he wanted to sing.
Yes, and we're extremely grateful. We'll put this to good use and we'll see it many, many times on the channel. But we're also going to do some dedicated reviews for this as well. So I just don't want to say what it is yet. But I'm very
Almost there.
pumped. Hang on, let me get the other side cut. By the way, this knife was given to us by our good buddy Stan a long time ago. This is the zombie survival knife, Stan, if you remember that. And this is a very sharp knife compared to the one that I usually use.
Alright, so Nathan got sent, or we got sent, a backpack!
Yeah! Second most, this really is the second most expensive thing that has ever been on our channel.
This is the nicest backpack you will ever see.
Yeah. So I didn't know it was coming in this. I just know what's supposed to be inside.
Yeah.
So that's kind of cool. This is that has a hard protective place around it, but it's also a soft backpack, so that's really cool. Should I unzip it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Hopefully everything is in the camera angle. Let's start at the top one here.
It is a DJI Mavic 2.
Mavic Pro 2. Yeah. Okay. This is amazing. I feel like I should have the Mavic Pro here beside it to see the difference. Now, I told you guys...
That looks brand new.
Yeah, he said he's only flown it a handful of times.
Oh my god.
The thing about the Mavic Pro 2 is it has crazy collision detection all over it. I mean, I think...
we don't have any drones that have collision all over it.
No, this would be the first.
This is kind of cool.
Oh, kind of cool.
It's very
cool.
And we noticed that has been out a year or more now,
Right.
but it's new to us,
Well,
and so we haven't even seen a Mavic 2 with our own eyes.
No, I haven't. I've not.
No.
I've not been in front of one at all, touched one or been around one or anything. It's really cool to see all the little circles, the sensors that are all over this thing. Now, just so you guys know, our DJI experience started off rocky, and the most expensive thing we've ever had was the Inspire. And that was just a horrible experience for us. Yes.
First one.
But since then, we've had a much better DJI experience. And our Mavic, see, for us, we own the Mavic, Mavic Pro. And it wasn't really a big enough jump for us to justify spending that amount of money.
Yeah.
But now that we have this, because of our buddy, we'll always use this. This is crazy. This is really crazy awesome. So he told me the rest of what's in this bag is kind of a surprise, and you don't know what to expect. No. I told Abby this was coming, which is so crazy.
This is not the one with the zoom though, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, so
and
that's this version.
To this day, now beggars can't be choosers, but if it were me choosing, I would choose this one, because I still don't really see the purpose of a zoom lens on a drone.
I feel like the only purpose of a zoom lens on a drone is live. So like around here we get asked all the time by hunters about good drones so they can take the drone up and find deer or whatever.
Yeah.
And so maybe live you could zoom in a little bit better and see on your screen what's going on and not scare any animals.
Guys,
but other than that, I mean, any other uses seems kind of creepy.
So many sensors all over this. So many. The bottom alone, there's like one in the front, one in the back, two side by side, and one here. This is just insane. really redesigned the Mavic from the ground up. And I told you guys that we would be getting whatever the next DJI drone is for the channel, but wasn't expecting it to be this. So definitely expect to see like a first flight video, and thank you. I don't know if I've even said thank you yet. I'm just too overwhelmed. And you know what? Honestly, today has been a long day, and yesterday was a very long day.
Yeah, you noticed we didn't have a video yesterday, and then tonight's video is probably like 1 or 2 a.m., maybe 3 a.m.
Yeah,
we'll
so
see.
a lot of you guys will be watching it on Tuesday, but we're exhausted. It's just been a really long day, and it's pretty late in the day right now as is. So we've just had a long weekend. We found out some really sad news about our club president. He's alive, but some bad health issues that just popped up, and we've been kind of stepping up, helping at the club, and it's been really rough. So if we sound tired, we really are. So this is awesome, right?
Yes. Controller, I'm guessing, did he 3D print this, or does it come with us?
He may have, but I know guys do 3D
really
print those.
Nice.
And that one actually looks more like a mold than a 3D print, unless 3D printers have just come a really long way.
It looks really nice.
My printer's getting outdated now,
nice.
but that is really nice. The gimbal saver.
We don't even have this for a regular Mavic.
So that's a dual charger, yeah. Actually, we do have a dock for the Spark.
But not for the Mavic.
Yes, so that's cool. He did say all sorts of bells and whistles with this.
Right, here's the batteries.
And are we sure? Because that doesn't look like the one that's in it. Guys, this is...
Here are batteries for something.
I did not plan on ever owning a Mavic 2. So I didn't do research, like a ton of research on it. That's obviously not a flight battery. Because that's a flight battery. So we need to keep looking in there. He said there was other stuff.
These are batteries, 2 of them, and they're in a Polar Pro case. I don't know what's going on.
This was all a surprise. We have no idea. Now this is another flight battery. But look at that. Notice the lights that they do on the Mavic 2. Rather than having boop, 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 4 dots up here, they have 4 sections of LED ring to tell you how much juice. And of course these are smart batteries. Smart batteries discharge themselves when you're not using them over a period of time.
This is a cord.
Okay. Kind of flying through the little cords and things for the sake of the video.
Cords, cleaning cloths, it looks like.
Very nicely packed in here. You've kept a very
secret little compartment.
There's spare props.
Okay, I think we can get to that part from over here.
So there is something that I do want to actually get for this now that I have this, and that will probably be a surprise on the channel, I would say. There's another another gimbal saver, Abby.
Oh, cool.
Got a little camera kit.
More cleaning cloth, a tool. I think there's something right there.
Props, I've already checked.
Oh, okay.
Have you seen anything else?
No.
Lots of chargers, it looks like.
Yeah.
So I'd say that's the main charger. Yeah.
Brick.
Yeah, that looks like it would.
I don't know what this is. What is this? What is this?
Okay, so I have a guess that you can take the
no, it's a micro cord.
Camera off of the drone and hook it up to this, or is this a stand for? Well, that's an iPhone.
Look, there's more stuff. There's another compartment.
Okay, this is an iPhone plug.
Yes.
And this is going to plug into the controller somehow. I assume that's how it mounts on here. What have you given us? I don't know.
I don't know what's going on.
Again, this is all just a...
I'm so confused. Oh. What is it? CrystalSky?
No, is this the... this like a monitor? Yeah, okay.
So is this like a stand for the monitor? Does this
that plugs into this.
Does this maybe connect to the controller somehow?
Yes. Okay, and that's the battery for it. Look at that. That's where those plug in. Okay. So, that's kind of amazing because we don't love using our phones to fly our drones. I mean, some people say it's a great little convenience, and it can be, but to us it's an inconvenience because it depletes the battery on our phones so fast, especially Abby's old phone. So that's amazing. It's really interesting that this is in here because I was just telling Abby, right before we did this video, I said, Abby, the one thing I think I might want to get is the screen, the controller that has the screen on it. It came out this year, I think, because we don't like using our phones for this stuff, but this solves that issue. How cool is that? Because you're one of our patrons, you should, now that we've done this, text me more information about this. Tell me your pros and cons, things that you like about it. And if you guys watching know anything about this monitor, please let me know if you like it or hate it. If you have one yourself,
I want to touch the drone.
go for it. This is amazing. So we just upped our camera aerial platform big time because of our buddy, patron, family member, and you guys all get to be a part of this. So I think
that's a 2.8 f-stop, so that's going to be probably better than what we have in low light.
Yeah.
So that's pretty cool.
If you notice, this bracket was mounted to this, so I think you can just buy the monitor separately.
Okay.
This is the DJI CrystalSky.
So it's actually a DJI branded item.
It really is, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and
it's cool. I haven't looked into, when this came out, I kind of wanted it, but Nate didn't, surprisingly.
I just said it wasn't a big enough jump in what we had.
I was way more excited about it than he was, but he said he wasn't as excited as me, so I just kind of let it go.
I said, let's just get the next thing.
Yeah.
Because DJI was releasing like 3 things a year, drones, you know.
That was last year, and I was pregnant anyways, so.
I fully expected DJI to have something else in the spring.
And,
I thought the Spark 2 would be out.
We're still waiting on a 2019 drone.
Yeah. Which, there's a rumor, which this might be a good time to talk about that.
Yeah, we don't know much about it though.
Well, I did a little research, a little digging, and to me it doesn't look like anything DJI would prototype. It looked like a China prototype. But supposedly there's a Spark 2 coming out. Now some people say...
But there hasn't been any actual DJI release information.
No, of course not.
So.
Just leaked and hearsay, and some people are just want some views, some clickbait on YouTube. I think that they should release one. Some people say the Mavic Air is the Spark 2, but I fully disagree. I think the Spark 2 is a unique drone. The Mavic Air is a folding drone. The Spark is not. It's a solid unit. It's more durable. There are a lot of reasons I like the Spark and still don't own a Mavic Air. And I'd be very happy to own a Spark 2. But now that we have this is just kind of like a whole new level, a game changer. We don't fly our Mavic a lot, but I think that we'll fly the Mavic 2 a whole lot. The Mavic is just starting to...
I really like
that
we have this.
Me too.
Because I hate using my phone to fly drones.
I'm excited.
Because the battery can't even, like on a 20-minute battery, my phone can barely even last that long.
I would say that I'll probably edit this video, and I know you've got some video editing to work on, and while you're doing that, while this video is uploading, I'll probably have this stuff charging so that tomorrow I can play around with it.
You'll probably see this flying on the channel very soon.
Yeah.
So leave in the comments anything you want to see about this setup, and we'll do our best to show you guys anything you want to see. And
trust us, we're very aware that this drone has been covered left and right and all over, up and down, and you may not want to watch a ton of content on it, but we're extremely grateful, and something like this isn't going to go unnoticed on our channel, and we're not going to just get something like this and not do a video. So to those of you that are maybe already past this, that's fine. But you know, everybody watches just because we like to play with RCs. I think a lot of people are going to just want to see what we think of this, because we're always honest.
Yep.
Not a fan of the Inspire 1 back in the day, how they had to update things and stuff. DJI has really made it so easy now. Amazing though, amazing. I wish I could say your name and say thank you. I keep wanting to, but I'm respectful of your request. This is amazing.
We have said his name on the channel before.
Yes, it's been a while.
He is a patron.
Yeah, and that's it. That's all the hints.
And it's a he.
Santa Claus is one of our patrons. This whole setup is crazy awesome. Thank you so much. I can't wait to put it in the air and tell you guys our experience with this, and just start using it on the channel instead of our Spark and Hubson Zeno when we race around the track. We're gonna have to put this in the air, maybe paired with the Spark or something, get some cool shots around the racetrack. Okay, well, I don't want this video to be too long, but how awesome was this? Guys, thank you so much for everything you do. If you're looking for a way to support us, Patreon is actually the best way to go about it, because you also get some RCSaylors stickers along the way. More information on that will be linked in the description box below. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video. What's wrong with you?
Bye!
Are you falling asleep?
No, I just wanted to mess with everybody.
Oh, man.
It messed with you pretty good.
Got me good. Thought she was just out. Thought you zombied on me.